Hello everyone, and welcome to our review of the Dolphin T-Series automatic pool cleaners. I'm Nicole.
I'm Michelle.
And if you've been searching for the right pool cleaning solution, then watch our series.
You're looking for a way to dump that creepy pool boy? Well, here's the super efficient, non-creepy answer to your pool cleaning prayers. First up in our review is the Dolphin T15. This guy's great for those of you with above grounds or a small in-ground. It's got about an hour-and-a-half cleaning time. I'm going to give you a lot more time to enjoy that pool so you don't have to do the work. Let him do it for you. Features very easy to get to top-loading basket. Once he's filled up, you just dump him out, hose him off, pop him right back in. Easy breezy, good as new, just like that. He features a 40-foot cord. And again, he's going to take about an hour-and-a-half to clean your pool completely. Also, bear in mind, the T15 cleans the floor only. He doesn't climb the walls. But for those of you who want to kick it up a notch, the T35 is next up for review. So stick around.
Next up for review is the T35, which we have working in our pool right now. He is a step up from the T15. He's got dual brushes, pulls up to 50 feet long, has a 60-foot length cable, has an ultrafine and a fine basket, and he does the floor, the walls, and the water line. Here's the T35 now, scrubbing that ever troublesome water line. And a couple more points about the T35. It has a standard 2-hour clean time. As I mentioned earlier, it has a fine and an ultrafine basket. The fine is really good for springtime cleanup, and the ultrafine is great for the rest of your normal pool season. And for all you tech-savvy gadget lovers, up next is the T55i. Premium of the T-Series, the T55i. So for all you tech-savvy guys and gals out there, this one's for you. The T55i is for you tech-savvy people. We'll get into that in a moment, but first we'll talk about some basics. This cleaner is good for in-ground pools up to 50 foot in length. Has a nice 60-foot floating cable and top load, easy to open where your filter's at. And it has a fine and an ultrafine. This is the fine, that's your ultrafine. This one's good for springtime cleanup. This one's great for most other times through your pool use. And pops right back in, easy peasy. And then it's also got patented dual jets to keep it up on the wall. It does wall climbing as well as scrubbing the tile line, and then does the floor. And then next we'll talk about the power supply. The power supply for the T55i is very easy to use. Your patented floating cable is connected very simply to the power supply. You want to keep the power supply about 10 to 12 feet back from your pool so it doesn't get splashed on. And then you just simply push this big power button right here, and then it's going to allow you to have different cycles. And what's really awesome about this is the fact that you can program your entire cleaning week with this power supply. So each week you can pick the days and the time it goes. If you're in regular or fast mode, it's awesome. And if you want to get even more technical, you can use your phone, download the My Dolphin app, and then you can program your timer. You can control the cleaner where it goes, left, right, front, backwards. You can also make it wall climb. So you can do all those things right from your phone, which is pretty awesome. So that's for my tech savvy people. And this concludes our review on the Dolphin automatic T-Series automatic pool cleaners. Stay tuned and watch more videos and reviews coming up later. And please subscribe to our channel. Here at Locey Pool, our goal is to have you have a happy pool.